Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So this video is totally something different. This is just about hair. So how I got these curls at home in just 20 minutes. So this is all about this. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a review and demo of two products which is helpful to getting these kind of curls in just 20 minutes when you are in a hurry or you want to go some out, some wedding, some function, some party. So whatever you want to go, you will love these kind of curls in just 20 minutes. So yeah, let's move to the video and just find out which are these products which are so helpful to getting these kind of curls. Let's start the video. Ding! So just pattern my hair in the direction I want, and from back side I have done these two sections. And this is a plain water. Spray it on the length of your hair. These are wet now. This section is completely wet now. So now I will first use this Adata hair gel. This is a flaxseed hair gel. So I'll apply this gel on my hair, especially at the tip of my hair. So now I will take one section of my hair, and better I should comb it, because after the curls we usually don't comb our hair. I will roll with this. Now I will take another section of my hair. I will wet it again a bit, especially at the tip. Now comb it. Put another roller. Now another section. I will use again a bit of water. So I will do the same process to this section also. So both sections are done. In between, I hope it will be good. Good, please. Oh. slightly wet still. So I have just kept my wet hair in these rollers about 15 to 20 minutes. You can keep it up to 30 minutes. Yay! Lovely. So wedding guest is ready to come. Oh, fabulous. I'm just loving this. What do you think? You can use some hairspray for long lasting. But right now I don't need them to be very long lasting, that's why I'm not using any hairspray here. Wow. So both of these products are just fabulous for me. These are just wow, result is awesome. I'm completely happy with this. So I have purchased these rollers from Amazon. If anyone want, I will give the link in description box. As well, this hair gel also I have purchased from Amazon, and this is Adata hair gel with organic flaxseed extract. So this is completely organic, so it will cause no harm to your hair because this is organic. This is made of flaxseed. The flaxseed gel obviously is very good for our hair, and the MRP of this is there is MRP is 600 rupees. So amount is 150 ml. This is quite good amount. You can use it many times. I guess you can, because it takes just a little bit of amount, so you this will long lasting for more than 1.5 months if you use it on every alternate day. So yeah, I just love this product and this is really wow. So both review and demo of both these products are just successful. I'm just loving both these products because this is zero chemical, organic, and it has a very strong hold of my hair, because in just 20 minutes I got this curls with both these products. And obviously I think this is not possible without this gel, because its hold is compulsory. So you just can't use only water for this. If you will use only water, it will I think for my kind of hair which are straight and silky, it will only last up to 1 to 2 hours. But if you want it more than 3 to 4 hours, so you have to use any kind of gel site. This is the best because this is organic, this is flaxseed, this is affordable, so this is good, and quantity is also good. So yeah, I'm loving it. So hope you like this video because I'm liking my curls. So hope you also like this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.